Everybody back here, EMD Automotive, trying to show you what we're doing today. We finally received the camshaft from Germany. The intake camshaft from cylinder bank number 2, cylinder 4 to 6, sorry. As you can see, it's worn really bad on here, on the journal here, on the top there. So all the hardened material is gone, so you can't really refit it. And we've got a brand new one from Germany. Perfect. Brand new one. See how pointy it is? And just finished measuring everything to make sure it's the right one. So yeah, it's about 52.6. When you go here, about 52.6, same thing. We checked everything over, it's all correct, 100% correct. So now we're going to assemble the cam housing. So this one here, this cam housing, so broken because the lifter is stuck in there and broke off this part here. And this engine is really lucky, otherwise everything will be bent. Valve's still good, so it's perfect. So now we're going to put everything back together now, assemble everything with the hydraulic lifters, and then we'll go from there. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.